will tell you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So there are 3 to 4 steps to fix the error. The first step is to go to our Google browser settings. So in here we have to go to our privacy and security. After this we have to go in here and we have to click on cookies and other site data. In here we have to go to the see all site data and permissions. Now we have to search in here OpenAI. So here is the openai.com. So we have to delete this sites data, clear the site data. So site data has been cleared. So first method has been done. So second method is to now our second method is to we have to disable all the Chrome extensions. So we have to click in here and we have to turn off all the Chrome extension, and also we have to turn off all the VPN. We have to disable all the VPNs on our tab. We have to disable each and every extension here. So now the third method is to we have to click on here, and now we have to do some 1 second setting. We have to click on the airplane mode for like 5 seconds. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we have to close this. Now we have to click on here get notified when you are back. Now we have to click on chat.openai.com again. So now the ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Error has been solved. So this is how you can solve this error. So if you are watching our video first time, so please like, subscribe our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye. Please subscribe, bro. Please subscribe, man. Please subscribe. Alright. So bye.